learners, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the importance of globalization. So let's start. The first point is rapid industrialization. Globalization helps in free flow of capital and technology from one country to another. Globalization ने free flow of capital और technology को flow करने में country के one country से another country में help किया है. It enables the global firms to acquire finance at lower cost of capital. इसने global firms को help किया है to acquire finance at lower cost of capital. The increased flow of capital from surplus countries to the needy countries lead to increase in global investment. अब जिन countries के पास surplus capital है तो उन countries ने क्या किया है, अपनी capital को flow किया है दूसरी countries में जिन countries को capital की ज़रूरत है. तो इससे क्या हुआ है, global investment हुई है. Foreign capital has, for example, increase the pace of economic development in China. Foreign capital ने economic development increase कर दिए चाइना में. Flow of technology from advanced countries helps the developing countries in boosting up their industrialization. Technology का flow हुआ है तो इससे क्या हुआ है, जो advanced countries थी उन्होंने developing countries को help किया है to boosting their industrialization. Second point is balanced development. Globalization leads to spread up of manufacturing facilities in different countries. Globalization ने manufacturing facilities को different countries में spread किया है. This in turn leads to the balanced development of all the countries. इससे क्या हुआ है, सभी countries का balanced development हुआ है. Point is increase in production. Rapid industrialization of world economies leads to increase in output of goods and services. This is increase in per capita consumption in both developed and developing countries. जो rapid industrialization हुआ है country में, उससे क्या हुआ है, जो world की economy है वो increase हो गई है in the output of goods और services में. This is increase in per capita consumption in both developed countries and developing countries. Fourth point is higher standard of living. When countries produce goods and services in which they have comparative advantage, productivity increases. कंपनी जब प्रोड्यूस करती है वो गुड्स और सर्विसेज जिसमें कंट्री को एडवांटेजेस मिलती है तो इससे क्या होता है, प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो जाती है. कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एंड प्राइसेस डिक्लाइन एंड क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्स. Consumer choice and consumer surplus are enhanced. As a result, living standards increase. तो इससे क्या होता है, जो कंज्यूमर की चॉइस इंक्रीज होती है और कंज्यूमर का सरप्लस भी इन्हांस होता है. तो इससे क्या होगा, एज ए रिजल्ट लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड इंक्रीजेस. Point is healthy competition. Globalization increases competition among companies. Globalization की वजह से companies के बीच में competition increase हो गया. They become more cost and quality conscious to face competition. जो companies है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा quality और cost पे focus करते हैं to face the competition. Global competition keeps a check on prices and the pace of innovation increases. Global competition check करता है कि prices और जो pace of innovation है वो किस pace से increase हो रहा है. An open world economy spurs innovation through new ideas from abroad. जो open world economy है वो encourage करती है innovation को through new ideas from abroad. Firms in developing countries get enormous opportunities both in domestic and foreign markets. जो firms है developing countries में वो उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा opportunities मिलती है both in domestic and foreign markets. Sixth point is increase in employment. Due to globalization, developing countries can attract more foreign direct investment. Moreover, manufacturing facilities are shifted to low-wage developing countries. Globalization की वजह से developing countries है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा foreign direct investment को attract करती है. Moreover, manufacturing facilities are shifted to low-wage developing countries. जो manufacturing units है, manufacturing facilities है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा low-wage developing countries में shift हो गई है. Therefore, job opportunities increases rapidly in these countries. तो जितनी ज़्यादा manufacturing facilities होगी उतनी ज़्यादा job opportunities increase होगी. तो job opportunities developing countries में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा increase हो गई है. For example, millions are employed in call centers, foreign multinationals, etc. in India. Seventh point is common culture. Globalization facilitates cultural exchange between developed and developing countries. For example, Domino's Pizza, McDonald's Burger, India's Masala Dosa, Hyderabadi Biryani have become global food items. The term global village indicates such cultural integration between nations. Last point is human development. Increasing economic development enables governments in developing countries to provide educational, health and other public welfare facilities. जो economic development increase हो रहा है तो ये क्या करता है, गवर्नमेंट को encourage करता है in developing countries to provide educational, health and other public welfare facilities. This is improvement in the health and skill of people in developing countries. Thank Thank you for watching.